How to clean up Snapchat Discover feed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clean up Snapchat Discover feed. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Discover icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the Discover section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the Discover feed. Now here, simply search the video that you don't like, and after that you can simply long press on it, and from the pop-up menu you can just tap on hide. And once you do that, that post will disappear from your feed. And here, if you want to block a whole creator, then what you can do is you can simply long press on the video from that creator, and after that you can just tap on the profile name. And now here, once you are inside the profile, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on hide this content. And after that, you can confirm by tapping on yes. And once you do that, if you go back and refresh your feed, the content from that creator will no longer appear. And that's it. That's how you can clean up Snapchat Discover feed. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.